Hello there, my friends. So we're on the nasa.gov website right here. And I just want to show you, those videos where like people are playing these wonderful sounds and ambient music, and they have these billowing clouds of stellar gas flying by and pictures of nebulae and that sort of thing. Well, this is where a lot of people get those at the nasa.gov or the JPL laboratory websites. This is nasa.gov. All of this stuff is free. Your tax money paid for this. So yeah, so you can use these videos. And so how do I capture these videos? Well, it's interesting you should ask, because I'm doing that today. So I'm going to show you, and I'm taking using a camera to take a picture of the screen instead of screen recording, because I'm going to show you the keyboard commands. So here's what you're going to do. In order to capture the screen, you hit Shift and Command at the same time, and then the number 5, okay? So Shift, Command, 5. Now what happens is, the screen pops up in here. So this says capture selected portion. So this portion of the screen, or any size that I make it, is what's going to be captured. Anything inside here. Or you can capture a window, which would capture this part, the part that's been grayed out. See? Part's grayed out. Or you can capture the entire screen with that button. So I'm going to go here and capture this, anything in this window, right? You can move this window around. So you want to keep the same aspect ratio, but you want to capture a different part of the screen, you can do that. So I put the borders inside of the picture so that I don't have any of the outside of the picture, any of the negative space, which in this case happens to be dark gray or black. And so, because I just want to capture this image, right? So how do I do that? Well, down here, there's the line right here. It says capture. If I press that right here where it says capture, it's going to take an image. Now you can see over here at the bottom of the screen where that image, a thumbnail is, and it saves it. It saved it right here onto my desktop. Okay, that's a screenshot. Right there, this one. So you can save it to the desktop. So anyway, that's the short of it. That's how you capture like a screenshot. I hope you guys have a great day. Smash like if this helped you at all, and I'll see you on the next one.